Welcome back to Moneymaker Product Reviews. In today's deep dive, we're putting two of Apple's most popular devices head-to-head, the iPad 10th generation and the 2024 MacBook Air with Apple's powerful new M4 chip. Whether you're choosing for work, school, or creativity, we'll help you decide which device is right for you. Design and build. Let's talk design. The iPad 10th Gen weighs just over a pound and features a 10.9-inch liquid retina display with thin bezels, flat edges, and 4 bold color options. It's sleek, modern, and built for mobility. On the other hand, the 13-inch MacBook Air 2024 continues Apple's refined design with a unibody aluminum chassis, a larger 13.6-inch liquid retina display, and comes in classic, subtle tones like midnight and starlight. It weighs about 2.7 pounds, but is still incredibly thin. MacBook Air offers a premium build, slightly heavier, productivity-oriented. Under the hood, the iPad 10th Gen runs on the A14 Bionic chip. Fast, efficient, and great for media, web browsing, note-taking, and casual apps. Multitasking is smooth with iPadOS, but performance caps out with heavy creative workflows. Meanwhile, the MacBook Air 2024 runs on the all-new M4 chip, a leap in performance and efficiency. It crushes multitasking, video editing, programming, and any productivity task you throw at it. iPad is great for casual users and students. MacBook Air has superior speed and pro-level performance, interaction, and input. This is where things really diverge. The iPad supports Apple Pencil, first gen with USB-C adapter, and Magic Keyboard Folio. The touchscreen makes it ideal for creatives, note-takers, and artists. The MacBook Air offers a traditional laptop experience, backlit Magic Keyboard, large Force Touch trackpad, and no touchscreen. It's ideal for typing, coding, and long-form writing. iPad offers Touch First plus Pencil support. MacBook Air offers a full keyboard plus large trackpad. Both feature stunning Retina displays. The iPad has a 10.9-inch, 2360 by 1640 resolution screen. Bright, colorful, and great for entertainment. The MacBook Air boasts a larger 13.6-inch liquid Retina display at 2560 by 1664 resolution. It supports 500 nits brightness and P3 wide color, making it ideal for photo editing and prolonged screen time. Picture: iPad is compact, vibrant. MacBook Air offers larger, sharper, better color accuracy. Software and OS. The iPad runs iPadOS 17, optimized for touch and lightweight multitasking. It's perfect for consumption, light productivity, and creative apps. The MacBook Air runs macOS Sonoma, fully featured, multitasking powerhouse with access to desktop apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Xcode. iPadOS has a clean, simplified UI. macOS offers a full desktop experience. Apple claims around 10 hours of battery life on the iPad for web and video, which is solid for most users. The MacBook Air is a champ here, with up to 18 hours of video playback or web use, thanks to M4's efficiency. iPad battery life offers up to 10 hours. MacBook Air battery life offers up to 18 hours. Ports and connectivity. The iPad 10th Gen has a single USB-C port, which now replaces Lightning. It's a major step forward. The MacBook Air includes 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, a headphone jack, and a MagSafe charging port, allowing better accessory support. iPad has USB-C only. MacBook Air has USB-C, MagSafe, and audio jack. Price and value. Price is where the gap widens. The iPad 10th Gen starts at $449, but adding the Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard brings it closer to $700. The MacBook Air starts at $1,099, a higher upfront cost, but includes everything out of the box for productivity. iPad is better for budget users. My book offers the best long-term value. So which Apple device should you buy? Choose the iPad 10th Gen if you want portability, casual computing, and touch-based creativity. It's perfect for students, travelers, and casual users. Go with the MacBook Air 2024 if you need full-scale productivity, power for pro apps, and long battery life. It's the ultimate lightweight work machine. Wait, iPad 10 is lightweight, creative, budget-friendly. MacBook Air is powerful, productive, professional. Check the description for the latest deals on both the iPad 10 and MacBook Air. Comment below, are you Team iPad or Team MacBook? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth tech comparisons.